Sassie's name him Charlie. He looks like a Charlie. Sassy, come here. Okay, Alex, let him go. Let's see what he does. Hey, Charlie. Ew.
Oh, it's so wet there.
Charlie's our fat dog.
Yeah.
We just got him today.
Charlie.
I think Sassy's a little bit jealous.
No, I don't know if I like Charlie.
Charlie is a cute name. Dad, do you like Charlie? Charlie, he looks like a Charlie.
He tried to go under her.
Look, Dad.
Ew,
See? He looks like a Charlie. He looks like a Charlie.
We want to watch some more.
He looks like a Charlie.
We've dropped him so many times.
He keeps on biting my feet. Let's name him a Roly Poly. Let's name him Roly Poly.
He's really little. Yeah, thank
Charlie! Charlie!
It's like he's like. That's how much. Oh, no. Don't eat a rock.
You don't like Charlie?
No, don't eat a rock. Don't eat a rock. No.
Mine.
Not the rock.
You be back. It's like what a mean girl. You get out of my house. Hope that one doesn't work here. She wrecks all the time.
Mom, Sassy's like, will it run away? I hope it'll run away.
Guys, telling you, just go down the street bed. It's a forest. Raise my cougars.
Yo, what, dude? No, Charlie.
Charlie.
Charlie! Charlie! Charlie!
See, look, she's scared of his dog.
Charlie!
You see, he's playing.
Charlie!
Charlie. He's so fluffy.
No, Mike isn't a good name for him. He's not a Mike.
He's a little Charlie.
He's a
He
Charlie.
looks like a Charlie.
He's biting his own tail.
Simpleton.
he's biting his tail.
Let's call him Simpleton.
Melissa, your dog's going to rock again.
No, Charlie, no.
Charlie! We have to call him Charlie. We have to say Charlie.
I'm not gonna say
Charlie!
Charlie. Fine. He walks sideways. He's like,
Yeah, their puppies are gonna be
no,
adorable.
don't eat that. What is that? What is that paper towel?
Be careful with him.
Dude, he was eating it. I know what I'm doing. Then he peed.
Yeah.
Where's Sassy?
Sassy.
Oh!
Charlie. He's totally Charlie.
No.
No.
Sassy! Sassy, go get her.
Sassy. Don't worry, she doesn't bite. Come here. No, don't run away. Come here. Hey. Be nice. Hey.
Shush. Put her inside.
Take her inside, Alex. Out.
Sassy, go put her inside. She's gonna run away.
Shut up.
I'm gonna go grab my shoes.
Where are my shoes? Why will she see you tomorrow? Where are my shoes?
So can I?
Two.
No. Why?
So I fall down
Why not?
over my head.
Sassy, let me in.
Charlie.
Cassie, go ask Mom if we can show him Mrs. Flynn.
Mom, can we show him the Nessa's plan? It's Charlie's nose.
Ask her why.
Why?
No, they won't. Go ask her why we can't.
No.
Okay. Okay, Amber.
Charlie.
Here. Like you broke it. Just wait.
There's our new puppy.
Good,
Chrissy
Nelly.
Cassie Loves here. Goodbye.